Hi, so today I'm gonna show you how to put Airconsole. It's so much fun. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. Okay, so first on your computer, let me just get the camera so you can see. Oh, not here. Okay. On your computer, go on to Chrome Web Store. Okay. Okay. Now, here. Yeah. It took me a while. Okay, so here you're gonna see stuff and then type. I have accessibility, so let me just use that type of type. Airconsole. And then you're gonna search that up. No space. And you're gonna go here. And this is the logo. And here you're gonna press a match Chrome. And then you're gonna put that app into Chrome. And then I already have it. So which is right here. See? It's right here. So just stretch out my hand. Oh yeah. Okay, that's good. Okay, so here you're gonna go into App Store, and then you're gonna put Airconsole. Oh, I'm right here. Here. So you will see the spelling here. So here you're gonna put that in and wait for it to load. So here, let me show you some stuff. In here, you don't have to. This is like a Mac computer or something. I don't know. Okay, but you don't need a TV because the computer is the thing. Okay, the screen. Okay, so go in here. And you're going to see Airconsole, and you'll see the logo. So here you're just going to see this, and then it's going to say, and then it's going to say continue without log in with Facebook, and continue without Facebook. Press the continue without Facebook, and then connect the screen. Okay, and then you're gonna and see, let me show you here. See how it looks like up here. See, so that's how you play. And then press the I got the connect code. And then let me just and then you're gonna go to the app, right? Here, it's just loading. Okay, and here is the code. See the cursor here. Okay, so here it's gonna say the code. Or it's highlighted in blue. Right here. 231775. Okay, so what you're gonna do is going to the Airconsole app, and then you're gonna put the code, which is 231775, and then press a check mark, and then you must have heard that because it was extremely loud. And here I'm going to camera, and here you're gonna see all the games. And then when you go into the Airconsole app, you can edit it. Okay, Ryan Space Gonzalez. Okay, that's my name, first and last. Okay, here, here you're gonna, gonna put your email address, but I'm not gonna put it because, okay? So, let me just put it, so, Ryan Gonzalez was, this is my name, and I'll put my email address later. Oh, come on. Okay. I wonder why it doesn't do that. Okay. Ryan. I'll put this like, okay, so here you're gonna do this, and this is the controller. See, so you can pick and the button in the middle is to pick a game if you want to go into the game. Okay, so this is how you use Airconsole, guys. So thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and give this video a like, and comment down below if you had any trouble, and I'll help you with that. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Make sure you give this video a like and subscribe. Bye. See you in the next one.